The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:19 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kersey, or 9 miles southeast of Greeley, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Greeley, Evans, LaSalle, Kersey, Gilchrist, Gill, Barnesville, Lucerne, Garden City, Lower Latham Reservoir, Hardin, and Peckham. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. The National Weather Service